Certainly. Here are some ideas for a quick and effective 10-minute home workout. Cardio blast, no jumping. Start with a warm-up to get your heart rate up. Perform exercises like high knees, butt kicks, or marching in place for 1 minute. Follow with 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Modify by stepping instead of jumping. Continue with 30 seconds of skaters, side-to-side lunges. Finish with 1 minute of fast-paced marching or jogging in place. Emphasize that this workout is apartment-friendly and doesn't require any equipment. Mention that viewers can find more details on your MatFit app. 1. Full body strength routine. Introduce a series of bodyweight exercises targeting different muscle groups. Include push-ups, regular or against a wall, for 30 seconds. Add hip-ups, 30 seconds on each side, to engage the core and glutes. Incorporate flutter kicks for 30 seconds to work the lower abs. Perform single-leg glute bridges, 30 seconds on each side, for hamstring and glute activation. Conclude with a 1-minute wall sit for overall leg strength. Remind viewers that they can do this workout at home without any equipment too. Metabolic fat burning circuit. Explain that this workout combines cardio and strength exercises. Include familiar moves like squats, lunges, and push-ups. Encourage viewers to perform each exercise for 40 seconds, followed by a 10-second rest. Highlight the effectiveness of metabolic workouts for fat burning throughout the day. Mention that this routine is accessible and suitable for all fitness levels 3. Feel free to customize these ideas, add your personal touch, and create engaging content for your viewers. Remember to demonstrate proper form and encourage viewers to modify exercises based on their fitness level. Happy filming!